Five little frogs on a bumpy brown log, ready to jump, ready to play all day. Five little frogs sat on a log, eating up the tiny little bugs. Yum, yum! Little frog did a great big jump, splash in the pond, said, "Here I come!" Five little frogs on a log, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shout it out. Jump, 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 and then we sing. All our froggy friends go ribbit, ribbit, ring. Four little frogs sat on a log, wiggly, giggly, green and small. One little frog did a twist and a hop, plop in the pond with a belly flop. Five little frogs on a log, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shout it out. Jump, 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 and then we sing. All our froggy friends go ribbit, ribbit, ring. Three little frogs sat on a log, sun going down, turning pink and gold. One little frog gave a sleepy yawn, swam to a leaf floating on the pond. Two little frogs sat on a log, holding hands so they're not afraid. One little frog said, "Time for bed." Splish in the water, then he rests his head. One little frog sat on a log, looking at the stars in the sky so high.